Another visual element you can add to your bot to enhance the user experience are emojis. Of course, these are super popular. It's like a new age way of communicating with users, so why not add them to your bot? One great place is the onboarding, the welcome message right here. So obviously this is a pizzeria we're promoting. So let's go to Emojipedia, which is a great website. You can search emojis. It's super useful. Use it all the time when I'm developing bots. And let's simply search pizza, because I know there's a pizza slice emoji. So you can simply go here, highlight the emoji, copy it, bring it back to the bot, and add it right here after the text. Great. So now you have this beautiful emoji that's on brand and it looks awesome. Another place that I really like to add them are contact forms. And of course you can use them throughout the bot, but contact forms especially because they're kind of bland and dull. You want the users to be more engaged and entertained when they're filling them out because it's just one question after another. It's almost like an interrogation. So that's a great place to add some fun. So let's start off with the date. What's the date of your event? I know there's a calendar emoji, so let's insert that. Again, just simply highlight, copy and paste, add it to the end there. Looks great. What's your email? For that, let's search for the email emoji, highlight this, insert it, and do note that these emojis aren't universal. And what I mean by that is the icons that you're seeing here on desktop might look different in Facebook Messenger. They might look even more different depending on the type of phone you have, the type of operating system, whether you're on mobile versus desktop. So there's different variations. So you do want to test it on these different platforms to make sure that nothing is game changing for you. So for the next one, how many people are attending? Let's search. I know there's a family emoji with multiple people. That looks good. So we'll go back, copy and paste. And then finally, what's your phone number? Let's do, I know there's a mobile phone, and let's do an old school telephone though, because that looks more interesting and it's easier to visualize than the phone, which is a lot of just small blocks. So awesome. So now we have these emojis, and of course we still have the JSON API plugin from earlier. But again, emojis are just a super simple way. They do take some time to implement, sure, but once you start using them with bots, you'll get familiar, as I am, with what the offerings are, what you can use, and what makes the user experience better.